Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to do a little pre-wash day routine. If you gotta go out but you need your hair washed and you're about to get your hair washed, but you need some kind of style in it to go shopping or to go somewhere before you go and get your hair washed. So welcome back to my channel, and I hope you go up and subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, it is really time for me to get my hair done. So right now I'm just taking out the old raggedy braids that I have. And I'm going to make my hair into 4 parts. I'm just combing out any of the tangles that I have. And I'm parting that first section into 2 parts. Now I'm going to just spray some water in it, just a little. That's optional. Some people don't like to use water in their hair, but I have 3B here, so water's okay. I also have some Just For Me hair milk leave-in detangler, and I'm going to spray some of that. It works really wonders for untangling your hair, and it makes it really soft. Now I'm going to use this Optimum damage antidote. It's a cream. You only need this much. Now I'm just going to braid this part. It doesn't have to be braided tight. I'm just loosely braiding it down to the end. Now I'm just going to take this medium-sized flexor rod and wrap the braid around the flexor rod and then secure it. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the second section of my hair. Then you go ahead and do all the other 6 sections of your hair the same way. And I've completed the braiding and the use of the flexor rods. Now I'm just going to take this scarf and tie it around the front of my head. And I'm leaving these in overnight, but I think the minimal time you should leave it in is at least 4 hours. Morning, everybody. I'm going to show you how this pre-wash easy style came out. So we're just going to take the flexor rods out. And now I'm just going to take the braids out. First I finger combed my hair. Now I'm just going to make a part down the middle and comb some of the curl out and some of the braids out. Do some styling with my hands. Nice and simple. This is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell and comment below. Tell me what you think. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time.